How to log out of your Apple Music account. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can log out of your Apple Music account, so make sure to stick with me till the very end. Now if you would like to log out of your Apple Music account, it's actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is, if you're trying to log out from the Apple Music app itself, you won't find the option to log out. So to log out of Apple Music, you have to actually open your settings, tap on your Apple ID profile from the very top, and here you can see all these options where you have to go to media and purchases. Now when you tap on media and purchases, you'll find sign out. So you have to tap on sign out here, and then you'll be signed out of your Apple Music account. Now if you don't believe me, if I go to view account option here, one of the options that they have inside of media and purchases is also basically Apple Music. So when you sign out of Apple Music from media and purchases, you'll also be signed out of your Apple Music account. This way you can log out of Apple Music account. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.